Good morning and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be speaking to you about being positive. And I think this is something that I get asked a lot is how do you stay positive? And how do you stay positive if you're not having a good day, or if you don't make any sales, or what to do if you're negative for a month or a week or whatever. I get a lot of small business owners asking me that. And I think it is a valid question. It's hard for me though, because I feel like I'm just such a positive person that I don't really take time to be negative about things. What I do, if that happens, if for example I have a bad day where I don't make as many sales as I should be, then what I do is I make a plan. And this helps me to stay positive because I'm never just sitting there being negative or thinking negatively or like wanting to give up or anything. It's just never really been an option for me. So what I do instead is I make a plan. For example, you get all your customers through Instagram, and this happened to me the other day. So most of my customers do come through Instagram, and Instagram incorrectly blocked me. I think I commented gorgeous on someone's photo, and then I just saw you've been blocked for like 5 days or something. I'm like, what the hell? Like, how can I be blocked for commenting gorgeous on someone's photo? Like, it just didn't even make sense. Obviously it was some sort of mistake, and it impacted me negatively because I wasn't able to contact people through Instagram, or I wasn't able to post, I wasn't able to do anything. So then I had to stop and think, how did I used to gain new customers before Instagram? Because I wasn't always on Instagram. So I actually started on Facebook. So I went back to basics and went back to Facebook and started posting in those groups and everything. And by then I started to gain sales again, and they started to increase, and I was still finding new customers just with a different platform. So I think it's really important, if something like that happens, instead of saying, okay, well, 5 days off working, like I'll just have to wait till I'm unblocked, always come up with another option or another alternative and find a different way where you can still gain new customers and try and show your items to new people as well. So that is my number one most important one. The other one is, and this is kind of the same thing, don't dwell on the negative but focus on the positive. So instead of just sitting there and feeling sorry for yourself, come up with a plan, be positive, and think of some new strategies for your business as well. And my last one is keep going and don't give up. So I think that's the most important one. There are so many small businesses that start out that fail. They don't make as many sales as they anticipated. From what I can see, it would be very easy to give up and stop that business and close your page down and just keep going on with your 9 to 5. So I think for me, the most important one is to keep going. So just because you have a bad week or a bad day, it doesn't mean you have to give up. You just have to keep going and keep finding new ways and new strategies and new people and keep on going. So that concludes this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And if there's anything you think I've missed, or if you have any tips on how you stay positive, then I'd love to hear them as well. And as you've probably seen at the end of my videos, I am hosting a weekly giveaway. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe, like this video or my latest video, and comment down below with a love heart emoji. And once you've done those 3 things, you have been entered into the draw to win a free prize. So I'm going to be gifting something to one person who has done this every single week to say thank you for your support. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.